Yeah. I've had friends ask me, like in a year where they've had a child and they've taken 4 months or 6 months off, and they're coming to the end of the year and they're back at work and they're afraid that their bonus is going to be reflective of the time off. Not to get like down a legal rabbit hole, but how does that work? Can an employer pay you less because you took time for maternity?
So it really depends on whether your bonus is discretionary or not. Theoretically, yes, an employer can pay you less if the bonus is discretionary because they can look at your quote unquote work output over that year and make decisions based on that. However, if you ever get the sense that your compensation is being minimized because you went on pregnancy leave, which I know it sounds like maybe a distinction without a difference, but it really is an important distinction. If you're being punished or your compensation is less or you're getting less work opportunities because you went on leave, that would be an illegal act. We call that an adverse employment action. So it's really fact specific. It depends on the type of bonus. It depends on the type of leave that you took too. That can make a distinction. Depends on what your workplace policies are for maternity leave, which sort of overlays whatever like the legal framework is. So that's a great example of something you need to talk to your lawyer about. But the general, like my general view of that is, if you think you're being punished in any way for taking maternity leave, that is protected medical leave. So you have the right to take that leave and you have the right to have your same job when you get back. And if there's ever any question about that, or if you think you're being paid less because of your pregnancy, then you probably have a claim you should talk to a lawyer about.